Ever notice how one single yawn can ripple through an entire room? Go on, try saying the word yawn a few times. See? I bet you're feeling it right now. Yawning is an ancient behavior. We're talking fish, birds, reptiles. Even babies in the womb are yawning. For early humans, it was probably a group signal, a way to say, hey, it's time to rest or everyone, stay alert. But here's the scientific twist. It's not actually about a lack of oxygen. Yawning is your brain's personal air conditioner. When your brain overheats or you start losing focus, a big yawn increases blood flow, bringing in cool air and helping you reset. That's why you might yawn when you're bored, stressed, or even just switching from one task to another. And what about contagious yawning? That's all about empathy. People who are more socially connected are more likely to catch a yawn from someone else. So, if you yawned while watching this, congratulations. Your brain just got a nice little reset. Follow for more cool facts about being human.